Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we dive deep into health and wellness topics to keep you informed and healthy. Did you know there are everyday habits and items that could be silently damaging your kidneys? Stick around as we uncover the 20 things you might be doing that could harm these vital organs. Now, let's get into what can damage them. Number 1 is overusing painkillers. Common non-prescription pills can harm your kidneys if taken regularly over a long period. Before using painkillers, always consult your doctor. Number 2 is too much salt. A high-sodium diet can increase blood pressure, putting extra strain on your kidneys. Number 3 is processed foods. Besides being high in sodium, they often contain phosphates that, in excess, can damage your kidneys. Number 4 is high blood pressure. It's a leading cause of kidney damage. Managing your blood pressure is crucial for kidney health. Number 5 is diabetes. High blood sugar can damage the blood vessels in your kidneys over time. Number 6 is smoking. It slows the blood flow to the kidneys, impairing their function. Number 7 is excessive alcohol consumption. It can cause changes in the kidneys and make them less able to filter your blood. Number 8 is not drinking enough water. Staying hydrated helps your kidneys clear sodium and toxins from the body. Those are just a few ways your lifestyle can impact your kidney health. But there's more. Let's keep going. Number 9 is high-protein diets. While protein is an essential nutrient, too much can burden your kidneys. Number 10 is sitting still. A sedentary lifestyle can lead to high blood pressure and other risk factors for kidney damage. Number 11 is sleeping poorly. Chronic sleep deprivation is linked to a range of health issues, including kidney disease. Number 12 is eating too much sugar, just like salt. Excessive sugar can lead to obesity and high blood pressure. Number 13 is environmental pollutants. Heavy metals and other toxins in the environment can accumulate and harm your kidneys. Number 14 is certain herbal supplements. Some herbs can be toxic to the kidneys if used excessively or if not used as directed. Number 15 is frequent use of antacids. Some over-the-counter antacids contain aluminum, which can be harmful to your kidneys. Number 16 is chronic infections. Untreated infections can cause kidney damage over time. Number 17 is dehydration. Not drinking enough fluids can lead to kidney stones and other issues. Number 18 is ignoring chronic kidney disease. Not managing this condition can lead to significant damage over time. Number 19 is extreme exercise. While being active is important, overdoing it can cause muscle damage that strains the kidneys. And number 20 is neglecting annual checkups. Regular blood and urine tests can catch kidney damage early, so don't skip them. Protecting your kidneys is about making mindful choices every day. Drink plenty of water, eat a balanced diet, stay active, and don't ignore your body's warning signs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more health insights.